Naomi Home presents the Karina Sleeper Convertible Ottoman Assembly video. Before we begin, please note that a portion of this assembly instructions is for combining two of this convertible ottomans into a queen-size sleeper. Each individual convertible ottoman comes as shown with a user-friendly mechanism that smoothly transitions between ottoman and sleeper modes. To convert from an ottoman to a sleeper, start by lifting the top, pull out each side and pull the lock ring. Extend the legs out and lock them in position. Once the legs are extended, place the top down. And just like that, you went from an ottoman to a sleeper, with convenient side pockets. Next, let's go from a sleeper to a lounger. Simply lift the back until it clicks in place. On the other end, pull the lock ring to loosen the leg and gently place that side into position. Since we already went from a sleeper to a lounger, let's turn our lounger into a chair. Start by lifting the top. Place a side in. Pull on the ring to loosen the leg. Place the top down and connect the magnets to the metal frame. So you saw how this ottoman went from a sleeper to a lounger to a chair. Now let's combine two of this convertible ottomans to a queen-size sleeper. To get started, turn both of your ottomans into a sleeper. Next, get both metal frame as close as possible. Use one bolt piece and one nut piece to attach the top part on the metal frames. Do the same for the bottom part of the metal frame. And there you have it. Your Karina Sleeper Convertible Ottoman is complete and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.